In our last video, we showed you all of these incredible waterfalls and more on our first leg of our road trip. In this video, I'm going to show you views even more beautiful than the first half of our trip, and hopefully I'll convince you to put the road to Hana on your bucket list. What is the road to Hana, you might ask? Well, it's this 64-mile long road on the east side of Maui in Hawaii, and it's thin and windy. It provides the best views the island has to offer, complete with waterfall views and ocean views. This is Wailua Valley State Wayside, and man, this place was perfect for pictures. I mean, look. You could see at least 3 huge waterfalls in one view. I haven't seen this stop suggested a ton, but it definitely was an incredible stop for us and really quick. So we found this really sketchy road we could turn on and decided to drive it to see if we could see our first beach view. And for some strange reason, we didn't take any videos but this one. So here's a picture to show you the first black sand beach that I've ever been to.
There's one of the beach stops, and we see a crab.
Crab. Oh, there it is. There it goes up.
Crab? There's 2. They're chasing each other.
Oh.
Oh, look, there's little steps down there. I wonder what that's. Looks like this was like a dock or something at some point, and it just is not anymore.
This is the Keane Peninsula. I hope I pronounced that right. But it used to be the home to a Hawaiian village that produced taro, which is an edible root. Sadly, in 1946, a tsunami nearly destroyed the peninsula, killed 20 children and 4 teachers. The only remaining building on the peninsula was a church, which is still standing today, but we didn't visit it. So remember to visit it.
So, everything we've done so far is just halfway to Hana. We just passed a sign that said halfway Hana or something like that. So there's a lot. Wow.
Oh my gosh. There's so much water.
Gonna
Okay, stop here and remember this waterfall.
Here's what the other side looks like. I think it makes another waterfall due to that drone shot that we saw.
Oh, it does. That huge waterfall you just saw is here in this shot, if that gives you an idea of how huge some of the waterfalls are here.
The road to Hana starts off really nice with 2 lanes, and then it becomes 1-lane bridges, and then sections of it become 1 lane or 1.5 lane. I don't know if it's just crazy people or if it's the locals who are used to it, but there's some people driving really fast, and there was like a truck that was driving really fast and was not concerned about me being beside the road at all. So be super careful.
It is rushing.
This is part of Wailuaiki Falls. It's really easy to miss the best part of it if you're headed towards Hana, but on your way back, you get the best view.
Wow. Jackets. This concludes our Road to Hana video. We only showed you half because we want you to see the other half on your own, and we couldn't get through the whole thing in one day.
You gotta plan 2 days if you're gonna explore everything, and we didn't even explore everything on the first half, so there's your lesson.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a giant thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It'll help us out a ton. We'll see you next time.
Bye. You gonna try it?
They're cutting it.
I know. You might have to pick it up and bite it.
Not to be confused with pizza, this is flatbread. Can somebody please explain the difference to me?
Is it hot? Not very convincing.